Okay guys, guess what time it is? It's turbo time!
Metal. Mega tape.
You got the downpipe first.
3 inch.
Holy fuck.
So 76 millimeter.
Intercooler pipe.
Whoa, shiny.
Very shiny.
Tutto per intercooler stanotte. Comunque alla fine 900 euro.
900 euro on Look at this shiny. Man, it's not so bad. I mean, I'm holding it. It doesn't feel like it's cheap. I mean, it's not that I hold a lot of exhaust manifold in my hands, but when I feel it, it doesn't feel cheap. I don't know, but it's pretty nice, yeah. Thank you, Mr. Santa Claus. Thank you very much. Aggregatore Santa Claus of China. Thank you very much, Alibaba. You're so kind. I appreciate it.
Clamps.
Clamps.
Credo.
Gaskets, various stuff.
È come quello della Lexus.
Ooh. Yo, yo, yo.
Brand
Hello,
new,
baby.
shiny.
It's called
Aluminum intercooler.
Elusa. I don't know what this means. Or E3 USA. USA! USA! It's very, very sensible, guys. It's huge!
Ooh, the same brand. Let's see if it spins.
Of course it spins.
Mm.
It
Okay.
spins round, round, baby, round, round, you know? For now, there's only one problem that we encountered. That this side of the turbo, it's supposed to go here. But obviously it doesn't fit, as you can see. So we need to buy the part that fits here, and then it becomes with this flange here of this side with these exact holes. But for now, we've checked on the internet. The piece that is like this on one side, and on the other side is V-band. So we were gonna probably have to switch to V-band, the worst case scenario. So this is only the first problem that we have got with this. I mean, the first adaptation that we're gonna have to make for now. Progressive equipment. China! It's falling apart. This box is falling apart. It's like perfect. Oil catch can. Tough, the bracket.
Sorry, I was focused on the transparent part to see how much oil is inside.
Oh, next thing is, I have no idea. Let's find out. The blow-off valve.
HKS replica? No.
Ooh, beautiful. Wow. Man, it's huge, man.
What?
It's bigger than the turbo. The Westgate.
V-band.
The V-band.
Ooh.
Really?
Yeah.
Say what?
Why?
What? Springs.
Yeah.
The piping for the turbo oil. So this is the oil return from the turbo, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The adapter.
We got the oil turbo return adapter. This is my favorite piece, guys. I've been waiting for this for so long. You don't want to know what's in here. Do you want to know? Sure?
Yeah.
No, don't look at it. Yeah. Ta-da!
A fuel pressure regulator. Oh my god. Oh.
A fuel pressure regulator questo?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, nice. What do I read here? Bus controller. Controller! It's controller! Bus controller! Biglietto! Per favore, grazie! Controller! Ooh, look at it. Boost controller. Oh, this one is written the right way. High performance, guys. This is what we look for. High performance.
Manual.
Oh, we got a nice gift from China, guys. The seller decided to send me this beautiful gift, which I haven't even known of. I just discovered it now when I was unboxing it. Come si dice? Gauge. Gauge. Minchia, sto termine mi sta proprio sul cazzo.
Gauge. Sì.
Gauge.
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 Ma gauge. Che merda.
Gauge.
Ma gauge?
Gauge. No, ma che gauge? Gauge. Fuck! Ci stiamo buggando di nuovo, raga, con
gauge,
l'inglese.
gauge, gauge.
Gauge. Gauge.
Al singolare è brutto.
Gauges.
Nel plurale dicono gauges, sì, tipo una roba così, però il plurale...
Anyway, it's, look what China got me. Thank you very much, Mr. Alibaba. Once again, thank you. I love it. Send more. Send more for me, thank you.
It's actually gauge.
Gauge. You
Al
fucking
singolare.
kidding me. A gauge.
Gay.
Gauge. Gauge. This is the gauge, guys. It's got all the, you know, oil pressure, oil temperature, and water temperature.
Only one.
And yeah, and the RPM.
11,000.
He either, and yeah, it revs 11,000 apparently. So.
It's over 9,000!
Oh,
So we're gonna start at 10,000 and reach maybe even 20.
yeah.
So
The gauge, the
gauge.
the gauge need...
I want to immerse into the gift. How can I say this? Into the gift
cabin.
world.
Ah,
No, bro, it's stuck. Step brother, I'm stuck. It looks wrong, guys. It looks so wrong. I cannot even see what's in front of me.
for the passenger.
Yeah,
You
for
can
the
put
past.
it...
Oh yeah, here could work. Yeah. For the co-pilot, guys, just for the co-pilot.
Yeah, partecipante.
Let's throw it in the garbage.
You're submerged by all the pieces.
We had the 3 gauges. We're gonna start with the RPM one, which is useless. I don't know why I realized they sent this RPM gauge in all these kits on AliExpress, but I have no idea why. I have no idea where they put the RPM. Yeah, air fuel. Neat. Yeah, oil pressure. The second problem we encountered is that the west gate, they provided us with the V-band attached on it, but the problem is they gave us the screamer pipe with the holes. So, but that's not a problem. We're just gonna cut through here and then weld the V-band on here and just. Okay, first thing
Okay.
we're going to remove the exhaust manifold and try and mount the first.
Yeah.
Mount this one. Yeah, just to see
It
how it
fits.
fits. Yeah.
Yeah, just to see how it fits. Yeah.
So,
Se non va a toccare...
come on, let's go. So we're going to remove the shield, the coil pack, and the exhaust manifold. We have encountered problem number 3, which is that as I didn't expect this to be so not so much plug and play because the flange of the exhaust manifold that we got for the turbo is very different from the stock one. So we're gonna have to adapt some things. First of all, we're gonna cut off this flange, and then we're going to try to adapt it with some things that we got around the workshop, and we don't want to spend too much. So we're gonna try and cut these off. And for every cylinder, for every hole, we're going to try and put this piece on every hole and try to adapt it. And then we're going to weld it here and see how that is going to look and to fit. Okay guys, we managed to cut off these pieces to salvage them from some scrap parts. and we cut them off. We're going to make a hole. This one is not good. We have to do it again. But anyway, we're going to put a hole in every one of them for the same size as these holes here. The one from the pipes.
Hole maker.
Hole maker. We're going to use this hole maker. Come Ale? Hole maker. Hole maker, guys. I don't know how you call this in English, but we're going to call it the hole maker. This should be the right size. The same as the exhaust manifold. So yeah, the next step is to make the holes. Then make the holes for the bolts. And then we're going to start welding it on the manifold. So guys, after a lot of cutting, it's like this took me like days, literally days, guys, just to make the the right cuts, the right holes, the right fitment. I'm not even gonna say to you, like, if I knew it was gonna be so much work, I would have just bought another exhaust manifold. This is the point where we are right now. This is the pieces that we managed to create, and you can see these cuts here because apparently we have the holes for the spark plugs on the engine, so I had to make these cuts. I know it looks like shit, but I don't care right now. I really don't care. I just want it to work properly. The manifold should go like this on, but we have another problem, which is the flanges. They go where they should be. So right now we have another problem. It doesn't fit because of the bolts. My idea was to find another piece of pipe to put it here of like, I don't know, a couple centimeters, so that the exhaust manifold can stay a bit distance from the flange, because the pipes, they are touching here against the bolts. We're gonna find a piece of pipe to cut and then to weld it here, and then we're going to weld the whole manifold to the flange. So see you after it's done. So guys, we had to cut off some other pipes, just because when we were trying to see how it fits with the new flange, which is not this one of course, this is just to see how it's leveling up, we wouldn't have been able to insert the bolts. That's why we had to build this extension of pipes, and we tried to see the fitment and everything, and it looks like it's fitting. So finally we're gonna go and start welding little pipes on the manifold, and then we're going to weld everything on the flange. Let's keep going, start welding, and then see how it's gonna fit. Yeah, I know guys, the weldings look like shit, but it doesn't matter. I don't care about the aesthetics right now. I just want to finish this manifold because it's taking a lot of time. It's time to check if there are any holes left in the welding that I did. So we're going in. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Fuck. Trotul în bucă. I found the hole, guys. Anyway, so we're going to put the light like this, and if we see any light coming through the holes, it means there is a hole there. So I found the last one. I hope it's the last one because this has been taking me a lot of time. So this is the final product. Guess what? It looks like shit. And I know it. It looks like shit and I know it. Anyway, this is the shittiest welding I've ever seen in my entire life. So, but I don't give a because it's not about the aesthetics. It's about its functionality. I don't know. For me, it's just enough that it's working. That's what I care about right now. We also added some spacers from some other pipes. We welded those and then we welded all the flanges. We tried it and it fits. I'll show you how it fits. So this is how it fits on the engine right now. As you can see, obviously the turbo will not fit in here. So we're gonna have to make another pipe that goes here. So we're gonna have the turbo here. That is going to happen in the next episode because I think we've done enough for now. Stay tuned for the next episode for the turbo fitment.